The specific duty in question requires the public authorities to impact assess all of their policies and practices. Now, there is no definition in the regulations at all of what that means. There's no definition of policies and practices. The previous guidance from the Equality and Human Rights Commission has emphasised that that means everything that that public authority actually does. So that shows the scope of the impact assessment obligation that will have to be complied with by 4th of April next year. For many public authorities, they will be having to impact assess areas that they haven't impact assessed already. So the new strands will include age, sexual orientation, religion and belief, where the data that they have might be very sketchy because traditionally employers haven't been asking detailed equality monitoring questions around the sexual orientation of their employees. So that's one particular challenge. I think the other real challenge is just the sheer amount of effort and resource that has to be put into achieving this in such a short period of time. The government's consultation paper, I think, very optimistically suggests that an equality impact assessment can be carried out in a single day by a single person, and that certainly doesn't reflect the reality of what we've seen, for example, in the university sector, where institutions have struggled really to carry out equality impact assessments, and that isn't an exercise that involves a single equality and diversity officer. It's really something that pulls in resource from across the organisation. You need to get the information, you need to analyse it, you need to really sort of interrogate what your policies and practices actually are.